Hey everybody, it is Matt Blake here at Zilla Wraps, and it's a beautiful Friday for our wrap up of the week. So I want to show you some of the amazing stuff that we've had going on in the shop this week. Check. So right here we have a pickup truck that we wrapped in Avery's brushed steel. You can see the brushed steel look on there. We talked about it earlier this week, but it looks outstanding on this truck with some matte black accents like on door handles and such. But this brushed steel looks amazing on this truck. It really looks dope out here in the light. So yeah, you can do this kind of killer look. Look, and it's all about the details. There's brushed steel on there. That's right. All about the details here at Zilla Wraps. So if you want to do something really cool with your truck, the textured materials are a great way to go. And you can get an amazing look. There's actual texture there. It's very, very cool. So, show you also what we have going on here in the shop. We have a car we are fixing to get started on. It is going to be in this gloss black rose, which is a gorgeous color, and we should be able to show it to you next week. But it is a little Infinity, and we just rolled it in today, and so they're getting started on the process. Good old Wilford's going to pull it apart. We got to take lots of parts off these things before we can wrap them. So this car is going to look beautiful and gorgeous next week. And then a big project we are working on is WR Meadows 18-wheeler trailer. Here we are adding some graphics to it. Right now we've got the sides done. I think we have the rear to complete. Big old graphics going up on there. Mr. Jeremiah throwing down today. So we can do anything. Gigantic projects down to little projects, and the details, color changes, ad wraps, whatever it is. So if you want to get something taken care of, also if you didn't get our email, the end of the year is a great time to get a wrap done for your business because you can take advantage of the tax benefits. Advertising wraps are tax deductible for your business, like all your marketing costs. So if you need to get something wrapped, you want a dope brushed steel, you want an advertising wrap on a trailer, whatever it is, let us know. Thanks for checking us out. Have a great weekend. See you later.